The Kerradeco wall system is a modern and functional material that creates amazing and individual interiors in little time and without any real disruption to your life. This is an ideal solution not only for private homes and apartments but also for public spaces, restaurants, offices, hotels or apartments for rent. Kerradeco has a unique look and ability to work in many different interiors which are derived from the qualities created by the KerraCore technology developed at the VOX Research and Development Center. One of VOX's core beliefs is to create solutions with the least impact on the environment, which is why we use recycled materials in the production process. The result is a modern and durable composite material. Kerradeco is an extremely durable product resistant to moisture, water, and impact. The panels have a tactile texture and are finished with the highest quality digital overprint. The low weight of Kerradeco is a significant advantage over other wall solutions. For comparison, 1 square meter of Kerradeco weighs 5.5 kilograms, and the weight of the ceramic tile is 4 times as much. Kerradeco panels come in 3 formats. To complement the panels and give the perfect finish, a set of trims are available in 2 silver and champagne colors. Installation of the Kerradeco wall system is simple and clean using commonly available assembly tools. The installation should be carried out by persons with basic technical knowledge and knowledge of safety rules. Before installation, leave the panels in the room where they will be installed to equalize their temperature with the ambient temperature. After unpacking, read the installation instructions. Depending on the length, the panels can be mounted horizontally or vertically. Short panels should be mounted horizontally or in a running bond pattern. Long panels should be mounted vertically. If the wall is straight, one of the fastest and easiest ways is installation using an adhesive. The surface on which the panels are fitted must be smooth and ensure adequate adhesion. Installation begins with cutting and fitting the A01 starter trim. Before installing the first panel, cut the tongue with a sharp knife. The panels should be placed in order according to the numbering on the back of the panel. Panels should be installed from left to right and from bottom to top. It is recommended to use VOX mounting adhesive for gluing panels. It should be applied to the panel forming the S-letter shape. Importantly, the first panel on the wall needs to be covered with adhesive on the entire surface, whereas each subsequent one only needs it on the edge with the tongue. After applying the first panel, check the vertical and horizontal lines and fix the panel. Then attach another panel and fix it using a hammer and a wooden mallet. Before fixing the panel permanently, make sure there is no gap between panels and check the vertical and horizontal lines again. Kerradeco panels are very easy to process, light, stiff, and do not cause any dust when cutting. For cutting panels, you can use a handsaw, a jigsaw, or a table saw. For the aesthetic finish of the inner corner, we recommend using the A02 trim. We use an A03 trim to finish the outer corner. Apply mounting adhesive to the trims and paste it into the corners. It is also possible to do the installation without using finishing trims. For the inner corner, panels should be laid at an angle of 90 degrees. Making an external corner without using trims requires experience and technical skills. To fit the panels exactly, their edges should be cut at an angle of 45 degrees. Mounting of the Kerradeco system is easy, fast and clean. It not only saves time but also allows for the possibility of using the rooms immediately after installation. Detailed installation instructions are available at vox.pl. One possible way to install the Kerradeco wall system is to install it on a substructure. The panels are mounted on a frame made of wooden battens. The battens should be made of good quality wood, attached to the wall in a reliable and solid manner using screws suitable for the type of the surface. The battens should be spaced at 40 cm intervals. Mount the battens perpendicularly to the direction of the panels. If the panels are laid vertically, the battens must be arranged horizontally and vice versa. All battens should be leveled using a spirit level so that they form an even plane. If necessary, washers or wedges can be used to level the battens. Installation begins with cutting and fitting the A01 starter trim. When installing the first panel, cut the tongue with a sharp knife. Then check the vertical and horizontal lines and fit the panel to the substructure. Kerradeco panels should be screwed to the battens with screws through the tongue on the long side. The screw should be hidden enough so that it doesn't catch when attaching the next panel. Attach another panel and finish it using a hammer and a wooden mallet. Before fixing the panel permanently, make sure there is no gap between panels and check the vertical and horizontal lines again. Kerradeco panels are very easy to process, light, stiff and do not dust when cutting. For cutting panels you can use a handsaw, a jigsaw or a table saw. To finish the wall, we recommend using an A05 trim, which also serves as a ceiling trim. Detailed installation instructions are available at vox.pl. Thanks to Kerradeco, you will quickly build a moisture and impact-resistant partition wall. It's a great alternative to drywall. When constructing a wall with Kerradeco, you avoid several time-consuming activities: leveling, sanding, painting boards, and aluminum corners. The Kerradeco panels are screwed to the aluminum frame using screws with a countersink. The screw should hide enough so that it doesn't hook when attaching the next panel. Kerradeco panels are ideal for installation on all ceramic tiles. You can quickly and efficiently renovate a room without removing tiles, grouting, dust and debris. Before installation, clean the wall, check that it is level and that the old tiles stick to the surface. Importantly, when installing on tiles, use more adhesive due to the ceramic substrate. In places exposed to direct water, we recommend sealing the panels with colorless silicone. Apply silicone on panel joints and panel trim joints. Particular attention should be paid to the corners and places on the ceiling and floor. Shelves, cabinets, hangers and decorative items can be screwed onto a wall finished with Kerradeco. Just remember that the fixing must be done to the substrate under the panel. If the wooden battens are used, the panels should be installed on the battens.